So thank you for seeing my video, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Today what I'm going to do, I'm going to upgrade this laptop. As I said before of that, I'm going to upgrade this laptop. It's a Lenovo T440P. It's very easy to upgrade. In order to take the screen, I'm going to take out this bezel with my fingernail. It's only a pressure attached to the chassis, so you can take it very easily from the chassis. And after that, you have 4 screws that you need to take out. Those 4 screws where the arrows are, you can unscrew them, and after that you can take the screen out, where you can take the screen from the chassis which is attached to. And now you are seeing me taking out the screws, and do not touch where it's written do not touch, because after that you can resell your old screen, eBay, whatever you want. And if you're going to touch where it's written not touch, it's going to ruin the screen. So there is some adhesive there, you need to take it out, and there is some notch that you need to put it up in order to take the cable out. Be very careful when you're taking your cable out. Do not put too much pressure. You can use your fingernail, or you can use other tools that are not going to do a hole in the cable. So the new one, I'm putting the cable in and the notch down, and putting the screen where the old screen was. And also I'm going to put the 4 screws in order to be secure to the chassis, and so the screen is not going to fall down. As you can see, this is an 9020 to 1080 screen with the resolution of 16:9, and also it's giving a refresh rate of 60 Hz. This is the new screen. The old screen was 720, and it was a very old. So in order to change or add some memory, or to do something on the computer, I need to take at first the battery out. Then I'm going to unscrew the screws that I'm showing right now with the arrows. And after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to slide out the cover of the components. So at first unscrewing these screws, and after that I'm sliding this out in order to show you the inside of the computer. As you can see, this is what's the hard disk, this is the fan of the CPU, and you also have the CPU, and also the RAM and the CD-Drive. So in order to add a solid state drive, I'm going to use also an adapter, and I'm going to at first unscrew the screw which is securing the CD drive, and I'm going to slide the CD drive out. As you can see, this is the CD drive, and it's out. So now I'm going to add this solid state drive. It's a 500 GB that I had at home, and I'm going to put it in this adapter in order to put it instead of the CD drive which I had. And only I need to do is to slide it in the slot where the CD drive was, and secure it to the PC. Also, as you can see, it's coming with a cover and a light which is showing you when the solid state drive is working, and it's going to show you every time that it's working as usual. So after putting the solid state drive, I'm going to upgrade also the RAM. So the RAM that I have right now, it's a 4 GB RAM. I needed to upgrade it to a 16 GB, which is the max what I can put in this computer. So I bought these two sticks, each one from 8 GB, and it's an Corsair sticks DDR3 because it's an DDR3 RAM computer. It's an old computer, it's not a new one. So after doing all of that, I'm going to close and slide in the cover of the computer, which is covering all the components of the computer. Also, I'm going to screw in all the screws that I may already take out, and at the end I'm going to put the battery back, because the last step is going to be the first step that I made in order to upgrade the computer on this case. And after that I'm going to turn it on. I put Linux on this computer because well, I'm not going to waste any money on Windows in order to upgrade this computer. Just Linux is enough for me to use the computer. I'm only going to use the computer to learn to program, and that's all. So I don't need any Windows, I can do everything on the Linux. So as you can see right now, the operating system is working fine with this upgrade. Also you can see the screen, it's an IPS screen. The camera doesn't show the sharpness of the screen very good, but this is the screen that I put on this computer. And now we are going to see that it's going to recognize the 15 gigs or 15.5 gigabytes of RAM, because the other RAM is allocated for other procedures in this operating system. Well, this was the upgrade of this computer. I hope that you enjoy. I'm also going to put all the prices on the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to see all the affiliate links that I have on the description to this video. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoy the video, press the like. If you didn't enjoy the video, press this dislike. And I hope that you like the content that I'm making, and try to see also other videos that I'm making, and hopefully you're going to see them, and also comment, and also subscribe, and also put a like or dislike, and also do your stuff that you're doing. So thank you.